Okay, today we see the example based on minimum rent method. Minimum rent method. You see this is the exercise collected from the MB Kadkol book. Okay, exercise number 7. You see here on 1/1/1985. On 1/1/1985, the Mysore Galleries Limited leased a piece of land for a minimum rent of rupees 2000 in the first year. Okay, there is slight change in this problem. They lease Mysore Galleries means they are the lessee, leased a piece of land for a minimum rent of rupees 2000 first year. Okay, first year minimum rent is 2000 and 4000 is the minimum rent for the second year, and thereafter 6000 per annum. It is nothing but first year minimum rent 2000, second year minimum rent 4000, thereafter means third and subsequent years. Third and subsequent year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, and so on. Minimum rent is 6000. Okay. With merging into a royalty of 25 paise per ton, and rate of royalty is 25 paise. Rate of royalty is 25 paise. Minimum rent is fluctuating. Minimum rent is changing in nature. Therefore, according to the information, you record the minimum rent in the minimum rent column. You don't think it seriously. Okay. 25 paise is the rate of royalty with the recoupment over the first 3 years only. This is the new point. I think 1 or 2 problems I solved on the basis of this. First 3 years. First 3 years means fixed period, not floating period. First 3 years means first year, second year, third year. From the beginning. From 1/1/1985 to first 3 years means 1985, 1986, 1987 end. In these 3 years, you have to recover the short working. And subsequent years from 1985, 86, 87. From the year 1988, you are not permitted to recover the short working. Suppose there is a short working after 1988. From 88, that is transferred to the recovery column directly. Okay, this is the point regarding recovery of short working. Short working is to be recovered in the first 3 years. After the first 3 years, you are not permitted to recover short working, and whatever short working remains at the end of third year, the balance of short working is to be transferred to the recovery column, and that goes to P&L account. This is the point you remember. And the annual output for the 4 years is given for you people. 4 years information is there. First year output, second year output, third year, fourth year. Means 85, 86, 87, 88. 4 years information. And you see here, write up minimum rent account, short working account, landlord account in the books of Mysore Galleries Limited. Okay. They asked to prepare only 3 accounts. Minimum rent account, short working account, landlord account, and Mysore, landlord account in the books of Mysore Gallery means lessee. Okay, 3 accounts they are asked to prepare. I prepare all the 4 accounts for your knowledge. Okay, and I also taken here past the journal entries in the books of both the parties. In this problem, I tell you each and every point related with minimum rent method. Only one problem. In this problem, I prepare the ledger accounts in the books of lessee and journal in the books of lessee and lessor. Clear? Now we can prepare the royalty chart. Here you write the date 31st 12 85 86 87 88 4 year. Then output for the first year is 2000, second year 12,000, third year 32,000, fourth year 48,000. Okay. Then rate of royalty 25 paise, not 25 rupees. Remember this. It is 25 paise. 25 paisa, 25 paisa, 25 paisa, 25 paisa. Okay. Then next is royalty. Royalty is first year 500, 2000 into 0.25. 12,000 into 0.25 is 3,000. 32,000 into 0.25, 8,000. 48,000 into 0.25, 12,000. This is the royalty. Okay. The next is minimum rent. What is the minimum rent for first year? Minimum rent for the first year is 2,000. Minimum rent for the second year is 4,000. Minimum rent for thereafter is 6,000. Third year 6,000, fourth year 6,000. As per their information, you record the information in the table. Okay. The next is I'll calculate the short working year. What is short working for the first year? It is 1,500. Second year is short working 1,000. Third year no short working. Fourth year no short working. Next excess. First year excess 0. Second year excess 0. Third year excess 2,000. Fourth year excess 12,000. This is the excess amount. Then short working recovery. What is the time given? Time given is first 3 years. Okay. You can recover in the first year, you can recover in the second year, you can recover in the third year. And after this year, you are not permitted to recover the short working. And whatever short working remains at the end of 31st 12 1987, that goes to a recovery column. Okay. You see here. In the first year, not possible to recover. There is no excess. Second year also, no excess. Third year, 2,000 is excess. You recover 2,000. 2,000 recovered. Okay. Time given is first 3 years. First 3 years completed. First 3 years completed. What is the short working balance? First year 1,500. Second year 1,000. Total 2,500 is the short working. Out of 2,500, you recovered 2,000 only. Then balance of 500 goes to the recovery column because time given completed. Whatever time limit given, that time limit completed. Therefore, the balance of short working goes to the recovery column. Clear? This is the first 3 years. And if suppose if there is short working in the 1988, that directly goes to the recovery column. 1988 short working, 1989 short working, 1990 short working. In the subsequent year, whenever the short working arises, that must goes to the recovery column. It must goes to the recovery column. You remember this one. Okay. Then the recovery column, you put the 0 in the remaining columns. You put the 0. Then payment. Payment is equal to royalty plus SW minus SWR. Royalty plus SW minus SWR. Royalty plus SW minus SWR. Sorry, it is not 8,000. Royalty 8,000 plus SW 0 minus SW are 2,000 is equal to 6,000. The next is 12,000 plus 0 minus 0, 12,000. Okay. This is the royalty chart. Then you remember, minimum rent account is to be prepared only when there is a short working. So first year SW is there, second year SW is there. For these 2 years, you have to prepare minimum rent. Minimum rent account is for only 2 years. And for remaining period, the remaining process, original process you follow. Okay, only for 2 years you prepare the minimum rent account. Minimum rent account is to be prepared only for the year of short workings. In the year of short working, that means 1985 short working is there, 1986 there is short working. For 2 years you prepare the minimum rent, and for remaining years, for all the remaining years, you prepare the other accounts. 3 accounts for all the years. That is royalty account, landlord account, short working account, as per your rule. And minimum rent account is to be prepared only for the year of SW. SW is only for 2 years. You prepare only for 2 years. First year, second year. In the first year, in the debit side, to landlord account 2,000, credit side by royalty 500, by short working 1,500. This is the first year. And second year, you these 3 columns. These 3 columns comes in the minimum rent account. Remember this: royalty, minimum rent, short working. These 3 columns comes in the minimum rent account. Okay. Royalty and short working credit side, minimum rent amount debit side. This is called as landlord. To landlord 2,000, by royalty 500, by short working 1,500. First year complete. Second year is to landlord 4,000, by by royalty 3,000, by short working 1,000. In this way, right, and close the account. It completes the first year. Okay. Now we see the accounts. Ledger accounts in the books of Mysore Galleries. First is minimum rent account. You write the year and date. To landlord 10,000. You see the account. To landlord account 2,000. Okay, this is minimum rent. Credit side by royalty 500, by short working 1,500. Close the account, total 2,000. Okay, first year completed. Second year 1986, to landlord account 4,000 minimum rent. 31st 12 2086, by royalty 3,000, by short working 1,000, total 4,000. Short working is for only 2 years. We paid minimum rent only for 2 years. Therefore, minimum rent account is for only 2 years. This is completed. Then second account is royalty account. You prepare the royalty account. In the royalty account, debit side to landlord, credit side by PNL account. It is your original form. But for the minimum rent account period, how many years you prepare the minimum rent? For the minimum rent account year, you have to write Slide is visible or not? Minimum rent account and royalty account slide is visible to you all or not? Anyone please answer.
Visible, sir.
Visible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the royalty account debit side, you have to take the lesser name or minimum rent. Okay. First, I will take here minimum rent because first year there is a minimum rent. First year we pay the minimum rent. Therefore, to minimum rent account 500, by P&L account 500. This is the only change. Okay. First year completes. In the second year also, you take minimum rent because you paid the minimum rent for the first year. Okay, first year, you write the minimum rent, but take the amount royalty column. Don't take the minimum rent here. This amount comes from the posting. Whatever you posted in the credit side of the minimum rent account, that will be posted to debit side of royalty account. This is the principle, you know it. Minimum rent 3,000, credit side by P&L account 3,000. Second year complete. Third year to landlord. Okay, you see this. Here is the change. Original method, now I am following. Now I am following the original method because there is no minimum rent account. To landlord 8,000, by P&L account 8,000. Total 8,000. Total 8,000. Last year to landlord 12,000 royalty, by P&L account 12,000 royalty. Total 12,000. This is the royalty account. What is the changes in this method? Comparing to first method, original method or general method. Here is the debit side change. Minimum rent, minimum rent. Minimum rent is taken for the first year and second year because first year and second year we opened the minimum rent and that royalty is transferred to minimum rent account. Therefore, first year, second year, there is a change and otherwise landlord. Okay. This is the small change you have to remember in case of minimum rent method. And you have to solve the problem under minimum rent method only when they ask to prepare minimum rent account. Otherwise, you have to follow the original method. Okay, this is the royalty account. Come to the second account, that is the 'landlord account'. In the landlord account, we write debit side to bank, credit side, royalty. It is already I told. And you have to make slight change on the credit side. Instead of royalty, you have to write minimum rent. Whenever there is minimum rent account. Whenever there is minimum rent account, you write minimum rent account on the credit side. Otherwise, you write the royalty. You see here. First year to bank account 2,000, by minimum rent account 2,000. Instead of here royalty, I have taken the minimum rent because we paid minimum rent. We paid minimum rent and there is a minimum rent account. Okay, total 2,000. Difference will not arise. In this case, difference will not arise. We write the minimum rent here. And second year to bank account, $4,000. Payment is 4,000. Then by minimum rent account 4,000 because there is a minimum rent account. Okay. Instead of royalty, I have taken the minimum rent and amount is minimum rent. You remember this point. Second year completed. Third year, bank payment is 6,000. By royalty, original method started. General method I started, same method. By royalty account 8,000 because there is no minimum rent for this year. Minimum rent account for this year is not prepared. Okay. 8,000 total, difference 2,000 goes to short working account. Okay. To bank account last year 12,000, by royalty account 12,000, total 12,000. There is no difference. You see this landlord account. What is the difference? There is no difference in the debit side. It is in the original form. Only change is in credit side. Only change is in credit side. First year, second year, I have recorded minimum rent because there is a minimum rent. And subsequent year, same rule I followed. You remember this. Okay. Then come to the short working account. In the short working account, we debit side lesser name for SW, credit side lesser name for SWR, and P&L account for SWIR. It is your general rule. In the debit side, instead of lesser name, you write the minimum rent for SW amount. For SW amount, you write the minimum rent. You see here, minimum rent account 1,500. In the original method, we recorded as landlord or lesser name, but we changed here, minimum rent. Credit side, there is no change. Remember this. Credit side, same items. Buy balance carried down, total, 2 balance brought down, again 2 minimum rent for SW amount. For SW amount, you write minimum rent and other things remain same. Take the total and calculate the balance. Balance is 2,500. Okay. Then 1/1/1987, balance brought down 2,500. And in the third year, the amount is in SWR and SWIR. By landlord account 2,000, by P&L account 500. This is same. Credit side items are same, there is no change. But only change is in debit side. Instead of landlord name, debit side, you write the minimum rent. Okay. Close the account. Total is 2,500. Total is 2,500. Any doubt? After the class, you go once again through the Google Drive. Then you will be perfect. Okay, for your doubts, you go for the Google Drive, clear the doubts and solve the problem. This is the ledger account in the books of lesser. Now I will write the journal entries in the books of lesser and lessee. I have made two parts here. For the first year, journal entry, minimum rent account debtor to lesser. Lesser is landlord. You write the landlord. Minimum rent due. This is the first entry. You have to pass 4 entries. Second entry, minimum rent, royalty account debtor to short working to minimum rent. Being minimum rent transferred. Then lesser account debtor to bank account being royalty paid. Then the last entry is P&L account debtor to royalty account. These 3 entries are same, original entries. Instead of to lesser, I have taken the minimum rent. This is the only change you have to make, and first one entry you have to pass. Okay, you see here how to write the journal entry. Minimum rent is 2,000. It is related to lesser. Minimum rent account debtor 2,000 to lesser account 2,000. Then this is transferred to royalty and short working. Out of this 2,000, 500 is royalty and 1,500 is short working. Total minimum rent is 2,000. Like this, you have to fill the amount. And payment for this first year is 2,000 is paid to lesser. 2,000 paid to lesser. and the royalty goes to P&L account. Okay, 500 royalty goes to P&L account. Clear? This is the first year. And same journal entries in the books of lessor. Simultaneously, I have taken side by side. I will write this journal entries books of lessor, means landlord. In the books of landlord, lessee account. Lessee account debtor to minimum. It is the reverse of this. You see here. Here is lessor, here is lessee. The minimum rent, debit, credit. Being minimum rent due. Second entry. Minimum rent is credited, here debited. Two short working, two royalty. Debit, credit. You see here. Exactly opposite of lessee to lessor. Being minimum rent transfer. And third entry, bank account debtor to lessee account. You see here, bank, credit, debit. Lessor, lessee. Okay. Third entry. Fourth entry, royalty account debtor to P&L. You see here. Here, royalty, credit, royalty, debit, P&L account debit, P&L credit. Okay. These are the entries in the books of lessor. That is landlord. Fill the amount. Same amounts. Okay. Minimum rent 2000, minimum rent 2000, short working 1500, royalty 500. Payment 2000 to the lessor. Royalty 500 transfer to P&L account. First year complete. These are the four entries for the first year. Then you see the journal entry for the second year. Okay. 1986 date. Minimum rent account debtor to lessor. Royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent account. Lessor account debtor to bank account. P&L account debtor to P&L account. P&L account debtor to royalty. Okay. These are the four entries for the second year. Second year minimum rent is 2000. Debit, credit. Then 4000 transfer to royalty 3000. Short working 1000. Total minimum rent 4000. Okay. Second year. Payment 4000 to lessor. 4000 is the payment. Then this royalty goes to P&L account. 3000 royalty goes to P&L account. Four entries. In the books of lessee. In the books of landlord. You see the journal entry in the books of landlord. Opposite of these, lessee account debtor to minimum rent account. Minimum rent account debtor to short working to minimum rent account. Then bank account debtor, lessee account debtor to royalty account. You see here. Opposite of this, opposite. Then fill the amount. 4000 is the minimum rent. Debit, credit. Minimum rent 4000 divided into short working and royalty. Then payment is 4000. 4000 is the payment. Royalty transfer to P&L account. Royalty 3000 transfer to P&L account. This is the second year. Okay. Then third year. You see the third year. Third year original entry. Royalty account debtor to lessor account. Means landlord account being royalty due. Second year lessor account debtor to short working to bank account being royalty paid. P&L account debtor to royalty account to short working account. These are the original entries, general entries. Only first year and second year there is a change because of minimum rent method. Third year and subsequent year, the original method starts because there is no minimum rent. Okay. Whenever there is a short working for that year, there is a change. Otherwise, original or general method will be followed. Okay. 8,000 is royalty and goes to lesser account 8,000. 8,000 is lesser. Short working recovered is 2,000. Bank payment is 6,000. Okay. And paid account debited 8,500 total, which is related with royalty 8,000. Short working recovery 500. This is the third year information. Okay. In the third year, royalty is 8,000. Short working recovery 2,000. E-recovery 500. It is joined. Short working is joined in the second entry and the third entry. Okay. 3 entries, original form. 4 entry will not come. Only 3 entries. In the lesser book, lessee account debtor to royalty. Okay. Whatever debited here, credited in the another book. And name is changed. Lessee to lesser. Fill the amount. 8,000 royalty. 8,000 royalty. 6,000 paid to the landlord. 2,000 recovered. Total is 8,000. Total is 8,000. And royalty 8,000. Short working 500 goes to P&L account. Goes to P&L account. It is the third year. Okay. Clear. The next is last year. In the last year, date 88, 3 entries. Royalty account debtor to lesser account. Second entry, lesser account debtor to bank account. Third entry, P&L account debtor to royalty account. These are the 3 entries last year. 12,000 is royalty. It goes to second entry. And let's see, payment is 12,000. Total payment 12,000. Then P&L account 12,000. Then royalty 12,000. Royalty transfer to P&L account. Okay. Then in the books of lesser, opposite. Lessee account debtor to royalty, being royalty due. Bank account debtor to lessee account. Okay. Royalty received. Third is royalty account debtor to P&L account. These 3 are in the books of lesser. Okay. This is the amount. 12,000 is the amount for first year. So first entry. Second entry is also 12,000. Third entry is also 12,000. There is no SW, SW or SWI. Therefore, same amount will come. Okay. This is the last year. Regarding this problem, because of some time shortage, I forget to change the names in the problem. In this problem, here you solve this problem in your notebook by making certain changes. Minimum rent method, lessee book, this side. And the second part you will be recorded after completing the first part. Remember this point. You complete the first part and write the second part. Clear? Lessee. Lessee book journal entry first write, then write the journal entries in the books of lesser. And in the books of lessee, you write the lesser name, that is landlord. Instead of lesser, you write the landlord. Landlord. And in the lessee book, in the lesser book, instead of lessee, you write the name of lesser. What is the name of lesser? You write that, and for every page you have to take the total. My drawbacks in this problem are 3. One is lesser. Instead of taking landlord, I have taken the lesser. And instead of lessee name, I have taken the lessee itself. you have to change and redraft the journal entry. And thirdly, you have to take the total at the end of the page. This is the point you remember and solve the problem in your notebook. Okay. One more problem I'll take on this method tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll take one another problem, that is example number 14. Exercise number 14 I'll solve tomorrow. And only 2 problems are based on minimum rent method in this book, and these type of problems were asked rarely asked. But you have to know the meaning and importance or the solving method of this type of problem. Okay. Because of time shortage, I was not made the problem correctly. While preparing the slides, I forget to change the names. Therefore, you make the changes and read up the journal entries. Okay. I will send the PDF of this, photocopy of this in the evening. I'll send the video and photocopy of this by making changes. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow I'll complete this chapter. Tomorrow I will complete this chapter, and day after tomorrow I will dictate all the problems from first to last. I will dictate all the problems from first to number 1 to number 50. I dictate all the problems. I give certain clue for solution, and I'll give 1 week time to you people for your solution. Okay. Thank you. We'll see tomorrow. And link is only one link, only one Google Drive link I already uploaded in the group. Every day you go through that link. Every day I will not send the Google Drive link. Google Drive link is only one. Okay. Someone asked the link, lecture link. Okay. Only one link is there. Every day evening you check my Google Drive link and see the new videos. ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತು ಬರ್ರಿ. ಒಂದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತು ಬರ್ರಿ.